What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. Today's video is so freaking exciting because I've been meaning to do this kind of video for a while. I'm not too sure who started out this trend, so if you guys know, definitely let me know in the comments and I will credit them. But as you can tell by the title today, we're gonna be trying out popular YouTuber owned brands. I'm talking Mr. Beast's brand, KSI, and a couple of others, and I'm so excited. I know I probably missed out on a lot of different brands I could have tested in this video, so if you guys have any suggestions on what you would like to see in a part 2, definitely let me know in the comments. Also, if you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you guys want to see yours truly try out some of these popular YouTuber owned brands, then without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, we're gonna be trying out the brand owned by Mr. Beast, and I am so excited. I've been literally dying to film this video because I cannot wait to sample the Feastables brand. In case you guys didn't know, Mr. Beast owns a brand called Feastables. He also owns like a couple of restaurants in America, which obviously I'm in the UK, so I couldn't try that. But somehow by sheer luck, I managed to get my hands on these two items, which are so high in demand. I actually found a seller on Amazon that was selling these, so hopefully they'll be okay. First up, we have the Mr. Beast Feastables Original Chocolate. I was literally sold when I saw this. I didn't even realize that Feastables was plant-based, so I'm so excited because I am actually plant-based. It says on the packet it only has 4 ingredients, which is really interesting because obviously a lot of sweets and chocolate nowadays is very unhealthy. On the back, it literally says the ingredients is literally cane sugar, organic chocolate liquor, organic cocoa butter, and sunflower lecithin? I don't know how to say that word. First of all, I absolutely love the packaging. I think it's so cute and definitely really on brand with Mr. Beast. So packaging wise, I'm probably gonna rate this like a solid 9 out of 10. Let's open it up because I am just so excited. All right, so here's what the chocolate looks like. It actually has a really cool pattern to it. It's not like your typical chocolate bar. Mine actually cracked in half when it was being shipped, so that's kind of annoying. I can't show you guys it entirely, but this is what it would look like if it was in one piece. It has like this tiny little area which you can break off to share, which is quite funny. I guess let's try the share piece. Cheers! Ooh. That's really nice. I mean, I wouldn't say it's the most revolutionary chocolate, but it's plant-based and there's only 4 ingredients and it still tastes good. This is pretty good. Okay, for the chocolate itself, I'm actually gonna give it like an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty good vegan chocolate. Now, I did also get the cookies, which I'm so excited about because not only are they plant-based, but they're also gluten-free. For any of my gluten-free babes out there, I know it's a struggle, especially when you're plant-based as well. Again, the packaging is pretty cute. I like the color scheme, and then it's also got Mr. Beast in the back. Let's open this up. I am so excited. This has obviously a lot more ingredients than the chocolate, but still, I would say as far as cookies go, there's actually not that many ingredients. I would say other brands have way more than this. Ooh, they smell pretty good. They smell very chocolatey. Okay, this is what the cookies look like. That's kind of like the size that they are. I'm not gonna lie, they do look pretty hard and dry, so I'm hoping I'm not gonna break any teeth. Let's break it apart. Ooh. Okay. It's quite like crumbly and dry inside, but hopefully it's gonna be all right. Let's give it a go. I would say it's quite good, especially for the fact that it's gluten-free. It's definitely a little bit on the dry side, but you're not really gonna get a moist cookie in a little packet like this. When you get through the initial sort of bite, it ends up getting better and better as it goes. I would say these are pretty good. So on the back, it says no GMO ingredients, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavorings, and no hydrogenated oils. I mean, I don't know what all of that means, but I'm guessing it's good. You actually get quite a lot of cookies in there as well, so I would say this is pretty good value for money, and I'm probably gonna give this like a 7 out of 10. All right, now moving on to the next YouTuber owned brand, we're gonna be trying out the Queen of Makeup's brand herself, and that is NikkiTutorials. I absolutely love NikkiTutorials. She's so much fun, and I've been watching her videos for like years and years now. I wasn't initially gonna purchase anything from the Nimia brand because I have so much skincare as it is, but I thought, you know, since I'm filming this video, I might as well try the cream. This is called the the Where It All Starts cream, and apparently it's kind of like a hybrid between a moisturizer and a primer. I've actually been in dire need to get a new primer because I've literally just been using like facial creams, which isn't the same. So on the website, this costs £26, and let's see what it says. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, and suitable for pregnancy. Key benefits is it moisturizes the skin, preps the skin for long-lasting makeup, it encourages a luminous glow, helps to lift away dead skin cells, and it's lightly fragranced. First up, here is the packaging. I'm gonna be honest, I love you, Nikki, but the packaging is just not really my vibe. I feel like it kind of reminds me of Nivea. I don't know what it is. I think it's the colors. I mean, if she likes it, she likes it. That's all that matters. But personally, as a customer, I'm not really a fan. So let's open it up. Oh, look, there's a little picture of Nikki in there. I had no clue. So it says, unfold the packaging of the box for extra tips by NikkiTutorials. That's so cool. First up, you get a little booklet about the cream, and then you get the product itself, which, wow. This looks nice. I mean, I've seen it in her videos and her reels and stuff, but I mean, having it in my hand now, it definitely feels really cool. It's kind of like this orange and blue little container that's encased in this sort of glass-looking plastic exterior. Oh, okay, so I've opened the cream and the little like backing seal was attached to the lid, so that's kind of annoying because it's gone everywhere. But let's give it a good old sniff. It said it was lightly fragranced, so let's try it out. It's definitely very lightly fragranced. It kind of smells like cocoa butter to me. This is what the consistency looks like. It's very like, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like a milky whipped cream kind of consistency. Let's do a little swatch of it on the back of my hand here to see what it kind of feels like on the skin. Ooh, it kind of has like a little bit of sheen to it. I like it. It definitely smells very like natural. Now that it's absorbed into my skin, it kind of has become a little bit tacky, which I guess is the primer side of it, and that's gonna be perfect for layering a base on. Obviously I have makeup on right now already, so I'm gonna have to do a cutaway of trying this on my face, so let's jump to that clip. Alright guys, so I'm now barefaced and we're gonna try the cream on my face together. This is what it looks like inside. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that cream and apply it all over my face as I normally would with a moisturizer or primer. We're now just gonna blend this all over. It feels very moisturizing actually. It feels very nice. Okay, now that I've blended it into my skin, it feels very, very tacky. I mean, look at that. Like my skin is literally sticking to my hands. So let's apply some foundation straight on top of that. And let's just blend it out with a beauty sponge to see what kind of effect we get. Ooh, okay. Actually blending out very seamlessly. Can you guys see that? The way that this primer has made my foundation literally look flawless is crazy. This primer right here is doing some absolute bits, you guys. If you haven't tried it already, definitely check it out because I'm actually going to be incorporating this into my everyday makeup now. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I think I'm gonna give this product like a solid 7. All right, now moving on to the next YouTuber owned brand. I've been meaning to try this one forever now, but every time I go into like my local supermarket, they are sold out everywhere. And that is Prime Drinks by KSI and Logan Paul. I've actually met KSI in the past when I filmed the Tinder like YouTuber episode, which was so much fun. He was very kind. But like I said, I've never tried their drinks and I've been literally dying to. So this one is the strawberry and watermelon flavored one. I got the one in the bottle, and once again, I just picked this up from Amazon. I only got the one because, to be honest, if I didn't like it, I don't want like 24 bottles of it. The thing about this drink is that it's so overhyped right now. Everybody wants it, and it's such like high in demand that it has really built up this idea that it's gonna be absolutely amazing. People are literally selling these bottles on like eBay for like £10. £10 each. And this is literally just a 500ml bottle. So that's kind of crazy. First of all, talking about the packaging, I mean, it's pink. You can't go wrong. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I think it's quite simple, but it does the job. So let's open it up and actually taste it. Oh my God. It's so hard to open. Come on, muscles. Pull through. It's gone everywhere. Okay, it is literally full to the brim. Like, can you guys see that? Like, it's right there. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like, oh my God, do you guys know those little like lollipop ice cream sticks, but they're like made of yogurt? That's what this smells like. I have to say, I'm actually very surprised at how full this bottle is because usually drinks are like filled up to here normally. So let's try it out. Oh my God, it's so good. It's actually so good. What the hell? Why am I now gonna be addicted to these and I can't even get them anywhere in the country? This is literally summer in a bottle. I love it. I'm literally gonna have to put this away, otherwise I'll gulp it down in one go. But flavor-wise, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. It's definitely not a flavor I've ever tried before in another drink, so I will say that they are definitely very innovative with their flavors, that's for sure. I think it's a no-brainer. I'm gonna give this, flavor-wise, a 10 out of 10. All right, now moving on, the very last brand we're gonna be trying out is actually Alfie Dey's brand. Alfie Dey's brand. It is called Future Self. They have apparel as well as coffee, I'm pretty sure. I just broke my nail. No. Oh, why? Now, I've actually never even realized that he had this brand until one of you guys actually sent it over as a suggestion when I asked you guys to send in like suggestions of what brands you want to see in this video. A lot of it was actually already sold out, so I ended up picking up a jumper and this is what the box looks like. I actually really like the packaging. I think it's really cute, and this is what I purchased. So this is the capsule sweater in oatmeal. It was £55 and luckily they had my size. So this is the packaging, as you can see, pretty simple. I really like the vibe, and this is the jumper itself. Okay, I have to say the quality does feel really nice. It has this Future Self logo embroidered right there, and I really like this actually. It's definitely very me. It has a little bit of like a high neck going on, and the fabric is so soft. It's actually got that fleece lined sort of inside, so that's perfect for like spring now. It's got a slight dropped kind of sleeve, which I really like, and yeah, the quality of it is really nice. Also, the color is definitely very me, and I like how simplistic the logo is. Sometimes I feel like YouTubers would make a brand that like has their name on it or something, and I feel like I probably would never wear that. So I have to say, this definitely doesn't feel like Alfie Dey's merch or anything, so I'm gonna try this on and we'll see how it looks. All right guys, so here is the jumper and what it looks like on. I absolutely love this. It's so nicely fitted, it's so cozy, and I love the high neckline. It just adds a little bit of like something to it. I feel like if it was a crew neckline, it would have been just a little bit too plain for me, and it would have just been like any other jumper, honestly. So I definitely really like that high neckline, and I really like the cuffs around the sleeves too. Everything just feels really nice quality. It does not feel cheap. That is why it was £55. I mean, it definitely justifies the price. I would say this is actually the perfect length too, because you could have it like cover your butt, or if you want it a little bit more cropped, you can sort of like fold it under and get this kind of fit. So I would say it's quite a versatile little jumper. I actually really like it a little bit more cropped as well. So yeah, overall, what are we thinking? I think I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. I'm really impressed with the quality. All right guys, so that was everything for today's video and trying out some of the most popular YouTuber owned brands. I had so much fun trying out these brands for this video because I probably wouldn't have purchased them otherwise. Let me know in the comments below which one of these YouTubers slash brands are your favorite. Sadly, I do not have a brand of my own to sell to you guys, but if any of you guys did want to support me in any way, I of course do have my ongoing collabs with Revolution Beauty. So if you guys wanted to pick this up, they actually have my latest collection on sale on revolutionbeauty.com. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video as always, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.